Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to post a carousel on LinkedIn. So you can just basically post a carousel template here or carousel here with the help of Canva. You can use your other tool if you want, but I strongly suggest to try Canva. It has a user-friendly interface. All you have to do is create an account here, type the carousel here on the text box, and you will see your different options for carousel related to LinkedIn and other social media platforms. Once you tap that one, it will direct you to this page where you can see an empty blank page, but on the left side, you can see here different templates and designs for carousel. So let's just say if we want to tap this one right here, click this one, move it here. And then let's just say I want to post a carousel PDF for 5 mistakes that are killing your brand. So you can just edit here everything on Canva. There are some features that are for free and there are some features that are not. So you have to make sure that if you want to drag or add feature right here, that feature doesn't have a crown icon because that means you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to use that. Now tap add page to add more, select a design here, and then add whatever it is. So basically all you have to do is to tap on share and then download. Make sure that this one is in PDF form or PDF file, then tap download. Now the next thing you should do is go back to your LinkedIn and then add a post right here, attach the file or import the file, select the PDF, and then wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. You can add a title, and then after that, you can now tap on the done. And then after that, you will see that you have posted a carousel here on LinkedIn. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.